Are you ready to elevate your smoothie game? Whether you're a health enthusiast blending greens for the perfect green smoothie or a busy parent whipping up delicious fruit concoctions for the kids, the right blender is essential. With countless options on the market, finding the best blender for smoothies can be overwhelming. This guide will take you through top picks that combine power, versatility, and user-friendly features to ensure your smoothies are always perfectly blended, creamy, and delicious. Join us as we explore the best blenders that can transform your smoothie-making experience into a quick and enjoyable routine. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Ninja BL610 Professional, our find for best budget for smoothie blender. If you're in the market for an affordable blender that packs a punch, consider the Ninja model. Boasting 1,000 watts of blending power, it can effortlessly handle up to 72 ounces of ingredients at once, making it perfect for whipping up smoothies for the entire family or preparing large batches of soups. This blender is particularly adept at tackling frozen fruits, which means you can easily create your favorite smoothies and frozen drinks right at home. To achieve that velvety texture you love, remember to add enough liquid along with your solids. This will ensure everything blends smoothly and efficiently. While the Ninja offers 3 speeds and a pulse option for flexibility, keep in mind that it does operate at a noticeable noise level. If you're the early riser or a late-night blender, you may want to consider your timing to avoid disturbing anyone nearby. One of the most appealing features of this Ninja blender is its user-friendly design. The intuitive controls make it simple to operate, and when you're finished blending, cleanup is quick and easy. So if you're on the lookout for a powerful, efficient, and budget-friendly blender that can handle your culinary creations, this Ninja model is definitely worth a closer look. Just be ready for the noise as you embark on your journey to create delicious, nutritious blends. Number 4. Vitamix E310 Explorian, our find for best splurge smoothie blender. The Vitamix Explorian E310 is designed to meet your blending needs whether you're a busy professional or a culinary enthusiast. With its intuitive interface and 10 variable speeds, you can effortlessly craft silky smooth smoothies tailored to your taste. Imagine blending fresh fruits, vibrant leafy greens, or even tougher ingredients like nuts with ease, all while achieving consistently exceptional results that showcase your creativity in the kitchen. For those with a hectic lifestyle, the included smoothie cups are a game changer, allowing you to take your favorite blends on the go. The 48-ounce container strikes a perfect balance between capacity and compactness, making it easy to store under your kitchen cabinets without sacrificing the space you need for larger blending tasks. Cleanup is a breeze, as both the tamper and lid are dishwasher safe, freeing you from the hassle of lengthy chores. This feature lets you spend more time enjoying your creations rather than worrying about the cleanup. With the Vitamix Explorian E310, you're not just blending, you're enhancing your culinary experience. You'll find that this blender goes beyond your expectations, enabling you to whip up nutritious drinks that cater to your personal preferences. Embrace the joy of blending and elevate your kitchen adventures with the E310, your reliable partner for crafting healthful and delicious smoothies in no time. Still searching for the perfect blender for smoothie? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus, our find for best compact smoothie blender. If you're searching for a compact blender that seamlessly fits into your on-the-go lifestyle, the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus is an excellent choice. Its sleek, space-saving design ensures it won't clutter your kitchen, making it perfect for small apartments or kitchens. Whether you're hurrying out the door or enjoying a leisurely weekend, this blender allows you to whip up your favorite smoothies effortlessly. With a powerful 900-watt motor, this compact blender easily crushes both fresh and frozen fruits, delivering perfectly smooth and delicious drinks every time. You'll find that using the Ninja Nutri-Blender is incredibly simple. Just fill one of the 3 included 20-ounce cups with your selected ingredients. Add liquid to achieve your desired consistency, secure the blade attachment, and blend by pressing down. It's truly that easy. Designed with your convenience in mind, the blender comes with 3 twist-on spout lids, so you can take your nutritious smoothies wherever life takes you, whether that's to the office, gym, or while enjoying a walk in the park. With compact dimensions of just 4.7 by 4.7 by 13.8 inches, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. Committed to a healthy lifestyle? The Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus is here to support your journey, making it easier than ever to enjoy nutritious beverages whenever you want. Experience the convenience of smoothies on the go. Your health and taste buds will thank you. Number 2. Nutribullet Pro 900, our find for best personal smoothie blender. Are you searching for a reliable and efficient blender to elevate your smoothie making routine? The Nutribullet Pro 900 is a fantastic choice. With a powerful 900 watts, it delivers smooth, creamy results, eliminating any unwanted chunks for a perfect blend every time. One of the standout features of the Nutribullet Pro 900 is its user-friendly design that allows you to blend directly in the cup. This means once your smoothie is ready, you can simply secure it with one of the included lids, ideal for those busy mornings when you're on the go. While it's not entirely leak-proof, careful handling can help you avoid spills and messes. Using the blender is incredibly simple. Just push and twist the cup, and in under 60 seconds, you'll have a delicious, nutritious smoothie. With a generous 24-ounce capacity, it's perfect for quick breakfasts or post-workout snacks, seamlessly fitting into your active lifestyle. Plus, the Nutribullet Pro 900 comes in over a dozen vibrant colors, allowing you to choose one that matches your kitchen aesthetic and adds a stylish touch to your countertop. If you're ready to enhance your smoothie game, the Nutribullet Pro 900 offers the convenience, power, and style you need to enjoy hassle-free, nutritious blends every day. It's time to transform your smoothie experience and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Vitamix 5200, our find for best blender for smoothie overall. If you're on the hunt for the ideal blender to elevate your smoothie game, the Vitamix 5200 should top your list. While it may seem like a splurge for simple beverages, this high-performance machine is a true game-changer for anyone seeking creamy, smooth blends and unparalleled versatility in the kitchen. With its generous 64-ounce jar, the Vitamix 5200 easily handles fibrous fruits and vegetables, ensuring you can whip up everything from personal smoothies to larger batches for gatherings. The narrow jar design optimizes blending efficiency, so you can enjoy perfectly smooth textures every time. You'll appreciate the blender's sturdy construction, which promises longevity and reliability. The intuitive speed dial and pulse switch make it easy for you to control the blending process. However, be prepared to manually stop the blender to achieve your desired consistency, a trade-off that some may find a bit less convenient compared to models equipped with pre-programmed settings. It's important to note that the Vitamix 5200 comes with one jar. If you frequently make single-serving smoothies, consider investing in a personal jar available from Vitamix for added convenience. This powerful blender is designed to meet your everyday blending needs while inspiring your culinary creativity. Embrace the art of making delicious, nutrient-rich smoothies with the Vitamix 5200 and discover how it can transform your kitchen experience. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which blender for smoothie you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.